Hi, my name is Ted Rosen. I'm lead technician here at Roland Systems Group, and we're going to talk about video keying or video overlay on the Edirol V-8 and Edirol V-4 video mixers. To perform a Luminance key, we're going to key a PowerPoint presentation over background video. Let's start by making sure that the T-bar is on bus A. Our background material should also be selected on bus A. On bus B, we should have our computer material, which you can see there, white text on a black background. Back to bus A, turn on the Luminance Key Effect, and move the T-bar to bus B. Now use the slider on the V-8 or the knob on the V-4 to adjust how much keying occurs. As you can see, we can key out the black, and the video will fill in. If your keyed text has dot crawl or jumpy looking edges, it's probably because the text is too thin. Here's an example of how bold text looks more stable and clear. It's best to use a bold blocky text for luminance keying on your V8 or V4 video mixer. In order to perform chroma keying, we first need to tell the Edirol V8 or V4 video mixer what color we plan to key on. To do this, set the memory knob to number 2, press the menu button, select Effects B, select B Effects 2, select the Chroma Key asterisk, and in this menu you can select your chroma key color. We're going to select green cyan for this green chroma key background. Now that we've set our chroma key color, let's perform the chroma key effect. Make sure the T-bar is on A, select your background video on the A bus, and select your foreground key material on the B bus. Turn on the chroma key effect, move the T-bar to B, and use the slider on the V8 or the effects knob on the V4 to adjust how much keying occurs. We want to key out the green from our subject, but we don't want to key too much. Adjust the slider or knob until there's just enough keying effect for an appropriate key. Now that we've covered chroma keying on the V8 and V4 video mixers, I want to share some tips about your chroma screen that you're using. To start with, you have to make sure that your blue or green screen is properly and evenly lit. Number 2, you should be selecting a light source whose color temperature is most appropriate for your green or blue screen. Number 3, always keep your subject forward of the screen. You don't want them too close to the screen, as that green or blue may reflect on them, forming a halo that's very difficult to key. Finally, make sure there's no wrinkles or shadows on your green or blue chroma screen. They can be also very difficult to key out. Follow these rules and you should get a pretty good clean keying with the Edirol video mixers. Thanks for watching. Check out our other video tutorials on RolandSystemsGroup.com.